Hi everybody, it's Yuki giving you guys a little preview and tutorial on how to use Streamloots as a viewer. Streamloots allows you to support the streamer while also playing cards to affect the stream, as presented during the roundup earlier this week. Tonight, Streamloots has been activated for Mario 64 ROM hacks, including the case hack, Star Road, that we're currently playing, and I would like to present to you how to do that. So on the community tab, you have a new link here, and it says Streamloots is now active for Mario tonight at 5:30. If you want to get a head start, first 10 people to use their link and link their account get a free pack using for Super Mario 64 ROM hacks. Press that link, but only the first 10 people will be able to use it. Now keep in mind, I will tell you there is only 9 left, and that is because I use one to help a buddy out learn to see if it works. I will be giving you guys more opportunities to get a pack later. I'll present that to you guys soon. But the first 10 will get a pack. So when you click this, you're going to be able to get to the redeem coupon screen. Now keep in mind, you do need an account for the Streamloots, and you can connect your YouTube, Twitch, and Trovo. Now I do have a different code to use, so I can give you an example. So when you click on that, you should be able to see something like this. You got a coupon. Select the productions collection where you want to redeem it. Now keep in mind, for this one I only have Super Mario 64 because that's the only one that is available at this moment. Press redeem coupon. This code is valid. You receive one pack in Retro Yuki Productions. Open one pack. So when you press that button, you go to this screen. So what this screen is, this is my Streamloots page. Now you may have noticed that this is the creator's edition because I'm making the packs for you guys. When you go to my page as a regular, you're gonna notice that I have packs already. I'm gonna open my packs. Open packs by pressing this button. And you're gonna get 3 cards that are different. Now sometimes you could get the same card. Got 3 cards in this particular pack. I want to remind you guys, these are all random. Keep in mind that these are random cards that you're going to be able to get. Stream time plus 10 minutes, play backwards for 2 minutes, and take a sip of water. So those are my cards I received in my pack. Now what's going to happen is, if you have cards, the cards that you have in your collection, current collection, you're going to be able to play during the stream. Come to this page in terms of my stream during the stream and play a card that you have. So right now, because I already have 2 packs for this example, I had 3 take a sip of water cards, 1 stream time plus 10-minute cards, and then we have a don't move for 10-second card, and 1 play backwards for 2 minutes. So what do these cards do? Well, it depends on the card itself. The basic one is don't move for 10 seconds. Basically, I'm not allowed to move Mario for 10 seconds. Play backwards for 2 minutes, meaning instead of playing the game like going forward, I have to have Mario going backwards. Jumping backwards, playing backwards for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like on stream or in the layout. If this is the layout that you have been seeing for the last few streams here. And I'm gonna be playing a card to show you guys what it looks like. So play a card from the site that I just showed you. So here, I'm going to play a card from here. And let's say I'm going to play the don't move for 10 seconds card. Okay, I'm going to move it back to my layout. I'm going to play it. To play a card, select the card that you want to use. Like for example, this don't move for 10 seconds card, and select play card. The card has been played, and you can see here, I already played it. I'm gonna get a sound effect. Now, the timer is for how long the card lasts. In this case, 10 seconds, and therefore, I already used it. Okay? Back on the site, you notice I don't have any more cards. At least at this variety. I need to get more packs. But I do have more cards. Okay? Let's try this play backwards for 2-minute card. And then I'm going to play the sound effect. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see here, we have a timer. So that bar is the timer. So I have to play backwards for 2 minutes. In terms of the card. Now you may have noticed something else. There is also a cooldown. So each card has some cards have a cooldown. In order to play this card again, you have to wait until the cooldown is over. If you want to get that. Let's do one more example. Now stream time plus 10 minutes is exactly what it sounds like. I add 10 minutes to my stream. Keep in mind, however, that we are in a trial period. I'm only going to be able to extend my stream for 20 minutes. So once I put up on the board, that's why we have a brand new part in our layout now. The added time card, the added time section. So right now, it's 0 out of 20. 20 minutes is going to be the max that I'm going to play with it when it comes to added time. Okay. So, I'm going to play the card. And now I'm going to add the 10 minutes to the layout. So now, instead of ending the stream at 7, the stream ends at 7:10. Okay. There's also a 5-minute edition, and a 5 minutes edition is green, common. Now let's take a look at the rest of the cards though. Excuse me. So 20 minutes, we have a star goal plus 5, meaning I'm gonna add 5 stars to the star goal. We have pause break for 30 seconds. This is not the same as don't move for 30 seconds though. It looks the same, but it's really not. This means I can take a pause break, as in pause the game. Literally pause the game. But don't exit course. Don't move for 30 seconds implies that you do not move Mario for 30 seconds. But everything else will move. So even though you're stopped, the enemies will move, and that's another form of sabotage. Okay? Mario crawl for 45 seconds. That means I can move, but for 45 seconds, I have to have Mario crawl. And of course, play backwards for 2 minutes. Very straightforward. And star goal +1. Now, the maximum amount of stars that I can add to the star goal will be based on how many actual stars are in the ROM hack. For example, Star Road has 130 stars. So the maximum number of stars in the star goal can be only 130. As you can see in the layout. Now keep in mind, however, that if the goal goes all the way up to 130, that means we're technically speaking 100%. 100%ing the ROM hack. Now, right now we only have 31 stars, so we're not even close to meeting Mr. Stargo over here. Okay? Once we pass the star goal, at any time we can go for Bowser. However, if you add to the star goal during the stream and we're not near Bowser yet, then I cannot go for Bowser at 85 stars. If the star goal is 95 and we're only at 94, I cannot play Bowser yet. I have to get another star and then go for Bowser. Okay? If, however, for some reason that we are in the middle of a Bowser stage, and this is for final Bowser only, by the way. If we're in the middle of the final Bowser fight, and the star goal goes above our current progress, I still continue the Bowser fight. Because you're already there. Okay? You're already there. If I do not hit Bowser, if I do not beat Bowser there, then I have to wait until I meet the star goal again. That's the rule. Okay? Right now, this current star goal is at 85. Okay? Because most of the time, case hacks are 85 to get to Bowser. Okay? Now, let's say that you want to support the stream as well. In addition to coupon, you can purchase packs. This is the button for that. Get my packs. I actually priced these myself. You get 3 cards per pack. So one pack is $1. 2 packs is $3. I mean, yeah, 2 packs is $3, which is 6 cards. And 3 packs is $9. I mean, $5. You get 9 cards. Now remember, they're all random. Okay? And anything that is used here, I get that. Okay? Not only you get the cards, you also support me with the streaming stuff. Okay? The highest one is purple, and there are, I believe, 4 cards in purple that you could get. There are a few blue and a few green. Remember, the more higher you go up on the list, the more rare it's gonna be. Okay, so when it's highlighted blue is rare, and purple is epic. Okay, so that's a little bit of a hint on how to use it for tonight. If you have any other questions, I'll be answering them during the Mario stream with the Streamloots. And we'll see where this goes. That's all for now. We'll see you guys 5:30. Enjoy.